Here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Great to get started on the art of cutting boulder. This is lower grade practice material, rules in millimetres, materials being wetted, help highlight the colours. Okay, I've just gone in a bit. I'll start from up the top corner. This little yaowa nut. See the kernel there? Don't know what'll happen to it, but like I say, this is all practice type material. It's not very high grade, so you're not paying a lot of money for it. Here's a face of blue potch and colour. Probably another seam there going through. Maybe cut that off and then grind down to this level. Another seam going through here. Prettiest piece. Colour seam in here. How far it goes in, it's anybody's guess. There's no indication of it on the end here, so it's hard to know, but you can see here there's another vein running back that way. Reasonably easy to polish that. It's a convex shape. Again, another seam running through the middle here. Face down there. It's not higher grade material, but learn how to cut it down and chase the faces. This could possibly be that. Runs around here by the looks. This is the prettiest piece in the deal. Two nice little bars of bright colour there. Cut that out. Make a nice pendant out of that. Looks like it might be another seam through the back there. A bit of potch colour. Piece of Koroite. Looks like the colour goes back through there. End up with a few nice slices of that. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.